You knew my
Fiddlestick.
Correction, I know your...
Fiddlestick.
I hate to tell you this, but he died a long time ago.
Nope, wrong again. He's alive, and I'll show him to you. You follow old Rafiki, he knows the way. Come on.
That's not...
Fiddlestick.
It's just my reflection.
No. Look hard. You see, he lives in you.
Fiddlestick.
Simba, you have forgotten me.
No. How could I?
You have forgotten who you are, and so forgotten me. Look inside yourself, Simba. You are more than what you have become. You must take your place in the circle of life.
How can I go back? I'm not who I used to be.
Φοβάσαι? Να έχεις το φόβο μου. Νιώθω το φόβο σου.